Welcome guys, this is the operating procedure for our Gincor 10-wheeler rigid mount body. So PDO on, live floor on, so that activates obviously the floor ready for the remote controlled unit. So we'll go round to the side of the body. Okay, so this is a simple light system to let you know the operator what's happening. So we've hit the PDO in the truck, it's now become live, so all functions are operational now. Everything is run by the control. It's a LODAR system, fairly user friendly. Here we've got locks and belt live. So we press the lock button, releases the locks on the tailgate. We then open the tailgate rises up, and then we're ready to, obviously if we had a load in it, we'd unload, which again has a light, and then the belt starts. So stop the belt. Start the belt. So we've done our load, we stop the belt, clean up, we would then run through the reverse operation, close the door, hit the locks go out. So it'll also, if you do it in the wrong sequence, gate up, and then you would turn the PDO off and then the green light goes out. So the biggest discussion point about rigid body mount 10-wheelers or 8-wheelers or even rigids of any sort would be a maintenance with a live bottom. So we've taken care of that by putting in a maintenance feature. So we hit the PDO, we hit the diverter, and we can raise the body. Okay, so part of maintenance, the design was obviously to make it easy later on down the track, cleaning the belt, cleaning the chassis of the truck, and general truck maintenance. So we also fitted a air body prop. So flick of a switch, the body prop goes up, locks in position, and now it makes the truck accessible to any part that you might need a valve change or a bush change. It is now possible without pulling the body off. So the other point about this system, the maintenance system, it's not designed to tip a load, so it's actually only designed to lift 3 tonne. No way will it lift a loaded body, so it is purely a maintenance. The belt will not run while the body is tipped in the air, so there's no chance of trying to tip a load off. It'll never happen. It's purely for maintenance, keep your maintenance costs down later on down the track. When you're having to do bushes on diffs and stuff, you're not having to spend the time to pull the body off and then have it refitted. Thank you. So the Gincor rigid mounts come standard with 2 toolboxes, one passenger side, one driver side, and it comes with the spray reel and tank for your emulsion products, obviously to spray down the body, so they're all standard. So all our Gincor units, doesn't matter if it's a rigid mount or a trailer, all come with e-safety stop, both sides. Obviously allows the operators on the ground to stop the unit if there is an issue either with the road plant or the equipment itself. So our rear mud flaps are on a simple hinge system. Basically the design just swings off the pole, flips up underneath with a clip, and now it can't come backwards. So, and it exposes the rear tyre for the roller. Okay, so the body comes with chain oilers, and the on-off tap is at the front of the body. And chain oiler itself is located behind the guard, and it comes with a brush setup and then your flow meter here. The idea is obviously that it's got 2 brushes, so it's oiling all sides of the chain. That's located on both sides of the body.